Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly essential accessory for anyone who owns a Sangean PR-D8, ATS-909X, or PR-D5 radio, the Marg 9V AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's designed to be a reliable replacement, ensuring your beloved portable radio receiver or MP3 player stays powered up and ready to go. One of the first things you'll notice, or rather appreciate, about this adapter is its promise of efficient charging. Nobody wants to wait around for their devices to power up, and this Marg adapter delivers on rapid charging capabilities. It ensures that your Sangean unit gets the juice it needs quickly and effectively, minimizing downtime and maximizing your listening pleasure. Whether you're tuning into your favorite AM/FM station or enjoying an MP3, you can count on a swift return to full power. Then there's the compact design. In a world where portability is key, this adapter truly shines. It's incredibly easy to toss into a bag, a backpack, or even a small travel kit. For those who are constantly on the move or simply want to keep their setup tidy, this compact design is a significant advantage. It's built for on-the-go use, making it the perfect companion for travel, camping trip. When you plug in a power supply, you expect it to work consistently and without fuss. This adapter provides stable power delivery every single time, which is crucial for sensitive electronics like digital tuning radios. You can rest assured that your device is receiving a steady, clean power source, helping to maintain its longevity and optimal operation. There's a certain peace of mind that comes with knowing your power supply won't let you down. Perhaps most importantly, especially in today's tech landscape, are the integrated safety features. The Marg adapter is equipped with advanced protections, including safeguards against overcharging and overheating. These features are vital for protecting not just the adapter itself, but more importantly, your valuable Sangean radio. They guarantee the safety of your devices during charging, preventing potential damage and extending their lifespan. It's a smart investment in the health of your electronics. This adapter, with its barrel connector and 240-volt input capability, is specifically engineered to meet the power requirements of the Sangean PR-D8, ATS-909X, and PR-D5 models. It's a straightforward, no-nonsense solution for anyone needing a dependable replacement or a spare power source. For those who value efficiency, portability, reliability, and safety in their accessories, the Marg 9V AC-DC adapter certainly stands out as a top contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.